القتلة كانوا قام يوصلوا جوا المستشفى بس هلا كريت الأوبر.
ماشي خبرني نعرف شو بيصير. My soldiers confirm that the hospital is under siege. Al-Qatala has taken civilians as human shields. They're protecting someone.
Or something.
Tomorrow we find out.
All clear, sister.
Hadir is my best sniper. You can rely on him. And all my fighters.
Marines want their pound of flesh. They're leading the charge on this.
I told you we would help you.
And you're keeping your word?
I don't do this to keep my word. The invaders of my country have no regard for human life. The gas kills all things, even food and our gardens. If you use these tactics, you are my enemy.
No exceptions?
None. Al-Qatala has given my people a bad name, and we have paid dearly for their crimes. I want to see the wolf punished.
I'll make sure you're at the embassy for the handoff to Price.
And you? Where will you go when this is over?
Wherever they send me.
You don't choose.
Not exactly.
Rest up. Tomorrow's a big day.
What about you and your men?
We'll be here until sunrise.
I'll cover the open corner.
The hospital is at the end of the road.
Half a click.
I'll be hoofing it with the Marines.
Echo 3-1.
Sergeant Griggs.
All day.
Call me Alex.
No locals on this one. Not my call. You Kareem?
All day.
Nice work hitting the Russians.
We share friends and enemies.
Bitfawi.
Bashufak, Alarim.
Let's roll, Alex. Damon dogs. Time to take this shit to the fan. You'll find this a target-rich environment. Watch the windows. Good guys look like bad guys around here. Shit's fucked up.
Demon 1-2, Viper 3-5.
Viper, where you at?
Viper is rolling northbound at checkpoint Omaha 1-2.
Copy.
Get some! Clean up an aisle 6!
Got tripwires on the alcove, Sergeant.
Word, 3-1. Disarm it.
Check. On it. Clear.
Damon, ribbon's cut. Let's move. Follow the armor and stay close.
Let's move! Medic!
Pop smoke and flank. Up the high side.
Enemy vehicle rolling in! Everyone! Watch the roof! Moving to third deck.
Copy that. All teams, rally with the convoy. Demon 1-2 to Red Hammer 7. We're taking fire from troops defending the south entrance of the hospital. Request immediate suppression. Over.
Roger. Hammer, visual on that position. Target is acquired. Stand by for danger close.
All Demon Dog, road is clear. You are green to get some. Hospital laboratory.
Got a guy by that concrete barrier!
Focus fire on the inside.
Move! Go! Check southwest! Moving! Got a target! جندي! جنب المدخل! Enemy in the lobby!
Demons are on the hunt.
Let's bag this son of a bitch, Griggs.
Long as we take him alive, 3-1.
Roger that.
Civilians, take fire!
Shit!
Keep it tight!
Target! Move up! Roger that! Check north, guys! I need cover! Go!
All stations, demons are moving to second deck. No sign of the wolf.
They're trying to keep us away from something.
That's for damn sure.
Place is a freaking morgue.
Could be an ambush. Just check them. All of them.
Do not fucking move!
Demon 3, this is 1-2. What's your status? Take point on this. Clear! 1-2 to Demon 3, how copy?
Demon 3 dropped off, Sergeant.
Find them! Tucked in hard! Cover and move! Hold your distance! Roger that! Watch out!
Fucking pleasure, Sergeant.
You got any word from Demon 3?
Nothing, Sergeant.
Get eyes in that room.
Roger. Camp set.
Your men cannot save you. You were sent here to kill me, but you will die because of your continued bombings and your...
PID on the wolf. 3 Marine hostages. He's gonna kill him. We got a breach.
Flank him from the rear. I'll take the main. Alex, take the window. Find a way around.
Copy that. Griggs, we're heading inside. Stand by.
We are captured.
Hold.
Shed blood. Enemy blood. Because
Demon
blood
set.
shed
Take this animal alive, Alex.
is
Don't shoot him.
always
Get him on the ground.
a victory.
Clear! We got you, brother man. You're all right. You good, Alex?
Good, Griggs. Omar Suleiman, you are now in custody of the Special Operations Force. Do exactly as you're told, or you're a dead man.
Hell yeah. All demon teams, Marines are secure. Wolf is in the bag. Let's move him to the